What are dividends? A dividend is basically a portion of reserves of a company that is paid to shareholders. जनरली कंपनीज डिविडेंड कैश में ही देती है, बट कई बार वो कैश देने की जगह बोनस शेयर्स भी इशू कर सकती है, बट ये वो ओपनली नहीं बोल सकती कि हमने डिविडेंड की जगह बोनस शेयर्स दिए हैं। ऑलराइट, नाउ क्या सारी कंपनीज जो लिस्टेड है वो डिविडेंड देती है या फिर बोनस शेयर्स इशू करती है? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। कंपनीज जो अभी ग्रोथ फेज में है वो या तो फोकस कर रही होगी कि हम ब्रेक इवन पे पहुंचे, या फिर अपना कंपनी को कैसे प्रॉफिटेबल बना सकते हैं, एंड दे विल इन्वेस्ट द फंड्स अवेलेबल विद देम, इन्वेस्ट द रिजर्व्स अवेलेबल विद देम, इन्वेस्ट द प्रॉफिट्स अवेलेबल विद देम इनटू द अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, so that they can grow and become a mature company. All right, companies is case में we can take example of Zomato, we can take example of Swiggy, we can take example of Nykaa, Mama Earth. There are many listed companies that are there right now. Some of these names are famous, so you will recognize these names. Now, तो कौन सी कंपनीज डिविडेंड पे करती है? जनरली द कंपनीज विच आर मेच्योर, like Coal India, BPCL, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, TCS, they pay dividend as they are able to generate stable profits, stable cash flow, and are either not having opportunities to invest, or they are able to invest as well as pay dividends. One of the factors while doing investing is checking the dividend yield of a stock. But for those who don't know what is dividend yield, let's understand. It is a percentage of current market price of a stock that is being paid out as dividend. For example, if SBI share are priced at rupees 500, they pay a dividend of, let's say, rupees 25 annually. The dividend yield would be 25 divided by 500 into 100, that is 5%. Dividend yield can be misleading as well. Some companies pay out dividend even when they are operating at loss. Others may pay out dividend too aggressively, failing to reinvest enough capital into their business to maintain profitability down the road. And कुछ तो ऐसी कंपनीज भी होती है जो डेट लेके डिविडेंड पे करती है इनडायरेक्टली, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली यू कांट टेक आउट लोन्स टू पे डिविडेंड टू शेयर होल्डर्स। इसी जगह पे हम एक और मेट्रिक देखते हैं, डिविडेंड पे आउट रेशियो। पहले हमने जो डिस्कस किया था उसका नाम था डिविडेंड यील्ड, नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग डिविडेंड पे आउट रेशियो। नाउ इससे पता चलता है कि कंपनी कितनी अर्निंग्स जो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर के हिस्से की है उसका कितना परसेंटेज डिविडेंड के फॉर्म में पे आउट कर रही है और कितना रिटेन कर रही है टू मे बी री इन्वेस्ट। Now, there are many companies all over the globe that pay regular dividends of good amount, and many people prefer to invest those companies, and they call it dividend investing. अब वो सही है या नहीं है, should you do dividend investing or not, that is a matter of question for you. I am not that much experienced right now to comment on that. Now let's discuss the pros and cons that I have faced while doing dividend investing. Pehla, let's discuss pros. I will take two pros and two cons. First pros for me is it's a good source of passive income. Second, जब आप प्रॉपर डिविडेंड मेट्रिक्स देख के, प्रॉपर फाइनेंशियल मेट्रिक्स देख के इन्वेस्ट करते हो इन अ कंपनी, देन द ओवरऑल रिस्क ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो आल्सो रिड्यूसेस, because you will be getting a passive income as well as you are holding a good stock. नाउ दो मेजर कॉन्स कौन से आते हैं? पहला कि इन्वेस्टर्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए कंपनीज कई बार डिविडेंड पे करती है ताकि वो शेयर्स खरीदे, राइट? तो उसके लिए कंपनीज जो है वो इरेगुलर सोर्सेज ऑफ फंड्स भी यूज कर सकती है इनडायरेक्टली टू पे आउट डिविडेंड्स, ताकि उनका जो शेयर है वो अट्रैक्टिव बना रहे इन्वेस्टर्स के बीच में। Second, company is paying dividend, that would mean it has less opportunities to invest. in the market right now. And now the company is becoming a cash cow. So we can't expect a 20 to 30% growth in the stock price because now it is a mature company, probably. So, because of that, you can't expect a 20 to 30% per annum growth in the stock price. You can expect that kind of growth in the growth companies that are in the growth phase right now. Okay. Now, other than these factors that we have discussed, dividend payout ratio, dividend yield ratio, there are other factors to be looked at, जैसे कि EV to EBITDA ratio, free cash flows, dividend coverage ratio, etc. All these metrics we will be discussing in the coming videos. Now, before ending this video, I want to discuss 3 points with you. First, many times when a big company declares dividend, let's say TCS declares a dividend of rupees 10 and it has a stock price of 3000 rupees. Okay, its face value is rupees 1 per share. ओके, फेस वैल्यू मींस कि उस जो एक शेयर है उसकी बुक्स में क्या वैल्यू है, तो बुक्स में उसकी है रुपीज 1 पर शेयर. ओके, सो अब क्या होता है कि अगर उसने 10 रुपए का डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया है तो उसकी डिविडेंड यील्ड इज 10 डिवाइड बाय 3000 इनटू 100. दैट वुड मीन कि उसका डिविडेंड यील्ड है 0.333% का, राइट. बट न्यूज आउटलेट में न्यूज आएगी टीसीएस डिक्लेयर्ड 1000% डिविडेंड. तो अभी 1000% डिविडेंड कैसे बोल रहे हैं वो लोग? दैट इज रुपीज 10, दैट इज द डिविडेंड, डिवाइड बाय द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर, दैट इज रुपीज 1 पर शेयर इनटू 100. You will do that will come to 1000%. All right. So look for the news properly, read the news properly. 1000% बोलने से अट्रैक्टिव लगता है, बट यू हैव टू लुक कि कम असलियत में उसकी डिविडेंड यील्ड क्या है. All right. Second point. Many times people invest in dividend stock when it declares dividend and they enter just before the record date. Please note that the price at which you will be entering will already be a come dividend price. So, when you exit the stock after the record date, you would either make a loss or no profit, no loss situation generally, because market is a discounting mechanism. So, जो dividend है वो already discounted हो चुका होगा share price के अंदर when it is announced and when it is paid out. Third point, even while investing from dividend investing point of view, always check financials of the company, always check the management of the company, who is the managing director, who is the CEO, who are the board members. Always look them, always look for proper financial metrics. Are the financial metrics good or not? Just because you want to have some passive income, don't invest in bad stocks. All right. Don't just invest based on dividend metrics. Always look for proper financial metrics. If you are happy for both, then only go for that stock. Otherwise, please don't go for that stock. Thanks a lot for listening to this video. I hope it was informative for you. If you do dividend investing, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.